In this video, I'll show you how to delete all messages on Discord, DMs, and channels at once. First, go to the link I've shared in the description. Scroll down a little and select your browser. I'm using Chrome, so I'll choose that. Open Violent Monkey in a new tab and then add the extension to your browser. Click Add Extension. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once it's added, click on the extension icon. Pin the extension by clicking on the pin icon next to it. Go to Manage Extensions and make sure Developer Mode is enabled. Now, go to Discord, but make sure you're using Discord Web, not the app, or this won't work. Log in to your account. Then go to User Settings, scroll down to the Advanced section, and turn on Developer Mode. Next, go back to the script page and open Greasy Fork. Click Install this script. Then click Install again. Now return to Discord and refresh the page. Open the chat or DM you want to delete messages from. Click the trash can icon that appears. Then choose Me and Current. If it's an NSFW chat, make sure to enable that option too. Finally, click Delete and confirm by clicking OK. Now just wait, the bot will automatically delete all the messages for you. As you can see, all the messages were deleted.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.